guys, it's Rick and Tammy. So I'm here, I just got here because I'm learning how to remove tires off the rim and put tires on the rim. Because like I said, I'm Rick's pit crew for when he drifts. I'll be doing all his stuff. Yeah. So I'm here today to learn how to remove a tire and to put on a tire with a tire machine. We're just waiting until it's 12 o'clock because I just feel bad because he's just getting off work and now he has to teach me. How fun. Like, I'm sure, because there was an idiot last night calling through Instagram and Facebook, calling me like 8 times. I blocked him because it was just like, people sleep, you know, like at, what was it, like 4:30?
Yeah, 4:30, like, you bring like 5 times.
Yeah, so we didn't get much sleep, so.
5 different times.
Yeah, so hopefully we're gonna get some videos of Rick teaching me and then me doing it. Yeah, right? It's gonna be exciting, guys. I tried to wear the crappiest clothes I could because if you see how Rick comes home, he comes home almost like he's black.
Tires are dirty.
Dirty tires. Yeah. So I'm excited to do a few. Very excited. Bye, guys.